Hello, this is Mr. Stein, and in this video, I'm going to go over the Mastery Items Week 10B questions. Question number 1. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide the following roots. Alright, so we can add roots if they have the same radicand. So in our first one here, we can see that this has a radicand of 2 and this one has a radicand of 2, so we can add those two together. However, this one over here has a radicand of 3, so it cannot be combined. They're not like terms. So when I add 5 square root 2 plus 4 square root 2, that is going to end up being 9 square root 2. And then we can add to that 3 square root 3. Now, this is as simple as this one gets. We can't do any further operations with it because we do not have like terms. Letter B. Letter B has subtraction, and it has multiplication in it. So we have to do the multiplication first. Okay, so let's take a look at our multiplication. We're going to multiply negative 2 square root 3 times 2 square root 2. When we multiply or divide radicals, we multiply or divide the coefficients, and we multiply or divide the radicands. So we're going to copy down our 4 square root 6 because we don't do anything with that. Then we multiply negative 2 square root 3 times 2 square root 2 to get negative 4 square root 6. Now when we look at these guys, we can see that our radicands are the same, so we can combine these two. They're like terms. Now 4 square root 6, take away 4 square root 6 is 0 square root 6, or just 0. All right, letter B, dividing. When we divide our coefficients, and we divide our radicands. So our answer to this is 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, so our answer is 4 square root 5. Letter C, we're multiplying, so we multiply our coefficients, and then we multiply our radicands. So this is going to give us 12 times the square root of 4. Now the square root of 4 is an easy and whole number. So this becomes 12 times 2, which equals 24. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Determine if each relation is 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to 1, or many to many. Okay, so let's look at the first one. I'm going to write all my domain values over here in an arrow diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to write all my range values, which is my second terms, in a second set. 1, 4, 9, 16. Then we're going to draw the connecting lines. 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 9, 4 goes to 16. One item in my domain goes to one item in my range. One item in my range gets one item from my domain. This one is 1 to 1. All right, let's look at the second one. The second one, 13 goes to 2, 8 goes to 1, 432 goes to 3, 523 goes to 3. Okay, so my domain values are 13, 8, 432, 523. My range values, 2, 1, and 3. 13 goes to 2, 8 goes to 1, 432 goes to 3, 523 also goes to 3. Now, because of these two right here, because of those two, we have many items in the domain going to one item in the range. This is a many to one relation. It doesn't matter that these guys aren't many to one. All that matters is that there's one set of numbers that is many to one. Many items in the domain on the left side going to one item in the range. So this is a many to 1. Both of these in Chapter 5 would be considered functions. One-to-one relations are functions, and many-to-one relations are functions. All right, number 3. Graph the following two lines. Are they parallel lines or not? All right, so let's look at our first graph. Y equals 1/3 x minus 4. 1/3 is our slope. Rise of 1, run of 3, so up 1 over 3. Our start value, or our y-intercept, is at -4. So we put a dot at -4 right here. Then we go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. Slope of 1/3 looks like this. Draw a line, put the arrows because the line continues on. This is letter A. Letter B, y equals 1/3 x plus 2. Again, our slope is 1/3, up 1 over 3. And our start value is 2. Our y-intercept is at 2. So we put a dot at 2. Then it goes up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3. Draw a nice straight line through it. This is B. Do these two lines look parallel? Yes, they are parallel. They are always the same distance apart. Why are they parallel? Because they have the same slope. All right, I hope that's been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or contact me directly. And thank you for watching.